Makeup off, skincare in. Siyempre, mag-headband muna tayo. Then, eye makeup remover to remove the makeup and eyeshadow and foundation. Then, the 4-in-1 cleanser. It removes the dirt, dead skin. Of course, your beauty fingers. Upward, outward. Wash your face and then Patra eye cream for fine lines, puffiness. Next product is the Ferulic Niacinamide. Then the serum, Lumivi serum, to brighten your skin and of course lighten the melasma area. And of course our moisturizer, the Clinical Solution Hydrate. Sobrang feeling, and of course the nighttime recovery while you're asleep. Itong product na mga to ay pinapabata ang skin nyo. Enjoy!